Ayan. And yakap na mahigpit naman dyan, Sir RJ. Ayan. Palakpakan naman po natin ulit for the mother and son. Yan. Sabi niyo po si Mami. Sa bahay na po. Ayan. O, diba? To dance with our bride, can we call in? Sophia. Ayan, Sophia. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, another mother and daughter dance. Palakpakan naman natin. The bride together with the pretty Sophia.
So sweet naman.
Okay, once again, palakpakan naman po natin for another mother and daughter dance. Okay, syempre si Sophia. Sophia, would you like to be third? Ikot po. Ayan. Oh, tapos si Bright naman, ayan, si Mami naman. At ay ba? Ayan. Tapos yakap na mahigpit naman. There you go. And of course, sir, ayan, join mo na sila. And this time, ayan o. Oh, you know. There you go. Sophia, ayan. Sophia, ayan, one more picture. Thank you, Sophia. Of course, sir, this time, ayan po. Siyempre, paalam ka kay Sophia, sir, na isang dance po si Brian. Okay lang, Sophia, okay daw, okay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to witness their official dance as husband and wife, everybody palakpakan naman natin muli, RJ Esta. Music, please.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it
Ayan, Sir RJ, dahan-dahan po, ikot si Brian. And of course, ano pong request? Yes, yes daw po.
darling, just kiss me.
Ayun, o, sige po, just keep on dancing. Dance pa rin po, sorry. Dance pa rin, keep on dancing.
And in your eyes,
Napindot po ba? Please blink your glasses, everybody. Para kulang daw, Sir RJ, isang round pa. Please.
dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song.
Okay, one last turn. Six group naman ang gusto.
Underneath my breath, you heard it, darling, you.
Okay, and of course, right now, the couple still continue dancing. And now, we will open our dance floor para po sa kanilang prosperity dance. Once again, para po sa mga gustong mag-share ng monetary gift, using their money envelope, no more pinning, iaabot lang po. Ayan. Wala, no need po na ipin, walang ipipin po, iaabot lang po. Ayan. Thank you.
Grabe to.
so what? Okay, again, namin lang po, for those who still like to share your blessings to the newlyweds. Okay, wait for my staff. Okay, ready to slice your cake? In 1, 2, 3, and go. Ayan, everybody palakpakan naman po natin, which symbolizes prosperity sa mga makakatikim at fertility kay bride. So, baka mapagbigay yung isang dosero. Ayan, sige po. Pakilagay na lang po sa inyong plate. Ayan. Sir RJ, pahawak po yung plate. Okay, tapos balik tayo sa center stage. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Sige, ma'am, yung pang-slice, iwan na natin. Ayan. Balik tayo dito sa gitna. Sa gitna po, pakilala yung cake. Sir RJ. Ayan, syempre, sabi ko na, di ba, na-excite na siguro. Ladies first, Sir RJ, kung gano'n daw kalaki yung cake, gano'n daw kalaki yung pagmamahal. Sige po, kung gano'n kalaki yung pagmamahal. Okay, ready? In 1, 2, 3, and... Ayun, palakpakan naman natin. Buong tinagrap. Ni Ma'am Steph. Ma'am Steph, pwede kong sulitin yan. Pwede bang kumuha ng isa pang slice pag-bitin sa Sir RJ? Ready na? Gantihan mo ng mas malaking pagmamahal, Ma'am Steph. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go! Ayun. Naku, ayun naman. Sulit na sulit. Palakpakan naman natin. Ay, parang bitin pa, Ma'am Steph. Bitin pa yata. Isang pa daw. Ayun naman talaga. Okay, sige po. Oh, wait na. Hold it. Nag-a-amnesia si Sir Bigla sa sarap ng halik ni Ma'am Steph. Okay. So anyway, ayan po. This time, can we invite Miss Valda and Sir King?
Hindi madinig. Hindi madinig.
Watching you grow and having your love has been one of my deepest joys of my life. And today, seeing you again, sobrang swim ako.
Nakita mo yung salad?
Hindi na magsalad na.
Magsalad ka na?
Ate, sabay tayo magsali.
Saan banda?
Sobrang proud
Ayaw, doon din yun. Doon din sa may ano.
pag-aaral ni
Ay,
RJ.
hindi ko nakita yun ah.
At sobrang saya ko.
Dali lang oh. Ikaw, hindi ka ba magsasalita sa?
Hindi. Kahit mahirap ako